Okay, Fly Darling, this is specifically for you. You asked for a video of the little wild parrots we have. I'm going to try to zoom in on them up there in the palm tree. That's where they like to hang out. So let me see if I can get them. Okay, they're sitting up there in the branches. Let me see how close I can get them. They're green, they're like a very bright green, and then they have a little yellow spot on their wings. All that bird squawking you hear is the parrots. They're not moving. Those two birds look very happy. There's another one I can see who's sitting on a lower branch. He's not moving either. But I would say there's probably 15 to 20 of them in that palm tree right now. I think they might nest up in there. These are the ones who like to get into the floss silk tree and tear apart those little seed pods.